Welcome to CEEI's Advanced Leadership course. This course has been specially designed to take you to the next level of leadership, where you begin to see, based on the impact that earlier other leadership programs that you may have attended, actual change, the real change that is so necessary in bringing about transformation in organizations. To give you a quick backdrop, if you look at the death of several organizations, if you look at, for example, in the public sector, the death of organizations like HMT, NGEF, ITI, which were once upon a time icons of Indian industry, the advanced leadership course will help you to precisely take a look at those psychological and behavioral aspects of leadership that either make or destroy organizations. So there will be a few case studies, there will be some amount of psychometric testing, but these tests and these case studies will primarily lead to a great amount of time spent on self-reflection of what, from an individual standpoint, has gone right and has not given the desired results for the self as well as for the organization or the department that is in charge of the individual. So what is it that you have done well which has brought you up to this position in life, and what is it that you now need to acquire through reflection and practice that will take you to the next level of leadership and higher international levels of operations. So this, in a nutshell, is the purpose of the program, the Advanced Leadership course, which is being offered by CEEI. Thank you.